Okay, hello friends. So if you have seen my Facebook video, then you probably know that what I'm going to teach you, because I will not be telling you what I'm teaching you in this video. Okay, so we'll directly start it. So we don't need pick for this. For the first part of the video, we don't need pick for this. We directly need to go to A major chord here, like that would be 11th fret, fourth string, 11th fret, 9th fret, third string, 9th fret, and the 10th fret of our second string. Okay, that this will sound like this. So this is our A, and we go from A to E, and E we simply played by pressing 9th fret of the fourth string, 9th fret of the third string, and 9th fret of the second string, and this will sound like this. Okay, so we are doing like this. Okay, the first starts with like this. Then we repeat the same thing again, but now we join it with the B. Okay, now the B is simply like 9th fret of fourth string, 8th fret of third string, and 7th fret of third string. So it will sound like this. Okay, so all together we have, and then we go to E. Okay, so all together, and then we go to A. The B is played here. The same finger position goes here. Okay, that is A. So all together we play like this. Okay, and then what we do is we go to E major again, and that E major is played out here. Okay, and this E major is made by 6th fret of fourth string, 4th fret of third string, and 5th fret of second string. So it will sound like this. Okay, so I will show you how it is played now. Okay, so this is repeated in verse and intro, and with the same thing we go to B as well. Okay, let me play it for you once. Okay, and in second time we go. Okay, and now we will be needing a plectrum for the chorus section. Okay, chorus section goes. Now this is A major. From A major we are going to C sharp minor, and C sharp minor goes from B. Okay, A, from A to we go to B, then we hammer it to B, a C sharp minor, from B to C sharp minor hammer, and then we go to E major, and then we go to A major here, and then we go to E here, and then we go to A again, and we repeat the same chorus, but we add one more chord out here. So this is second chorus, the second line of the chorus goes like this. And then we go to A, then we go to B, then okay, like if you could understand and if you could play it, very nice. If you could not understand and if you could not play this, then do leave a comment so that I can explain you this in a better way. And for the solo section I will be making another video, and hope you'll like my channel and subscribe my channel for new videos to come. Okay, take care, all the best.